Okay, welcome to my channel. This video is going to be about Sunex tools, some Sunex locking extensions. So let me get the camera set up and show you what I got. Okay, this is them 1/4" drive 5-piece locking extension set. I know everybody can see that and read, but I haven't even opened them yet. They were supposed to be in the same time the sockets was in my other video, but of course, you know, they didn't come in. Anyway, there's the 3/8 ones. Let me get these things open and check them out. Okay, there I got the package open. This is just the back of it. As you can see, they got a lifetime warranty. They are made in Taiwan. This is the 3/8 set. This is the 1/4. There you go. Let me flip them over. They come with this little cover. That's pretty neat. I may leave that on there. I don't know. Trying to get them where you can see them a little better is all. Hold on. There's that coffee again. Wow, that is really good. Anyway, so here is the locking extensions. I don't know if you can see that. Let me just put it back in the package. Turn them all so you can see them. Little dude probably ain't gonna. Oh yeah, it is too. Anyway, y'all see that? I hope you can. That's the sizes and the part numbers of each one individually. That was the 1/4. This one, these are the 3/8 ones. They're pretty neat. Hold on just a minute and I'll get some sockets and see how they hold up. Okay, they got a few different sockets here. This is the 1/4" drive. The sockets with the hole, at least all the ones that I have over there in my toolbox, there's a snap-on one. You see the difference? That's a 15 3/8 drive snap-on. That's a 15 1/4" drive Sunex. That small socket would have really came in handy the other day. But anyway, the ones with the hole in them, you have to line the pin up to it, and it locks. It's a little wobbly, but it locks. It won't come off. If you don't, it'll go on with the pin hole not lined up, but it don't lock. It just pops right back off. As you can see, this socket here is a Tecton. Obviously, chrome sockets don't have holes in them, but it locks on pretty good. A little bit wobbly, not bad. I think that was a Tecton. Yeah, that's a Tecton. I don't know if you can see that or not. This socket is a Mac. I don't know if you can see that or not either, but you have to take my word for it. It's a Mac. And it's a little bit on the wobbly side, not as bad as the Tecton, but it holds, it locks, it won't come off. This one here is a Craftsman. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's really wobbly. I don't know if that matters, but I mean, it ain't bad. It's probably about the same as the Tecton. But at least they do lock on there. They don't just pop back off. This is the 3/8. Like I said, you got to line the pin up with the. You see how wobbly that is? I don't know about that. I mean, naturally it's just coming in and out, but you know, Oh God, there's one of those "that's what she said" jokes, right? But at least it locks on there, it won't come off. And if you don't line it up, it just pops right back off. It don't lock at all. And it don't hold very good either. It just acts like it's pushing it off. But as long as you line the pinhole up, it does fine. Now this is a snap-on socket. Let's see. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it is a snap-on socket. And it's about like the Mac on the 1/4" drive. It's not that wobbly at all, and it locks on there. So that's awesome. These are going to come in really handy. Could have used them the other day when that stupid socket. Well, I don't know if it wasn't a 15. You can see how beat up that one is. But it was a snap-on socket. I don't remember what size it was. I think it was a 1/2 inch, or I know the bolt size itself was a 1/2 inch. I don't remember what the head size was, what size socket it took, in other words. But anyway, it just kept slinging off and pissed me off. So anyway, whatever. Let me see if I can show you these sockets a little bit better. That way you believe me. That one's a Mac. That one's a Craftsman. This one is Tecton. And this one is the sockets that just came in not too long ago. The Sunex. And this one is, where's it at? Right there, a snap-on. And of course, dang, that's hard to do. Where does it say that on here? Upside down. This one is also a snap-on. Anyway, I know you believe me. That's not the point. The point is I was just wanting to show you the different sockets, how it holds on to different sockets. So you're not wondering about the sockets. You know, okay, if I show you one, it'll hold on to that one, but will it hold on to all of them? And, you know, for those people that's never used these locking extensions. But anyway, that's all I got for this video. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.